Boys and girls, our math target today says I can identify three-dimensional solids and describe their attributes using formal geometric language. We're going to go ahead and watch a video together. Remember, we are talking about 3D shapes.
Wow, Moby, that looks sorry, Moby. I think you dropped this. What is a cube? A cube is a solid shape. It has 6 faces or flat sides. The faces on a cube are all squares. There are 12 edges where the faces meet, and there are 8 vertices or corners. Plenty of things are shaped like cubes, like an ice cube, a number cube, or a box of tissues. What is a rectangular prism? Just like a cube, a rectangular prism has 12 edges and 8 corners or vertices. You're right, Moby. These solid shapes both have 6 faces. But most faces of a rectangular prism are shaped like rectangles. And all the faces on a cube are squares. Tons of things are shaped like rectangular prisms, like a juice box, radio, and even a thin piece of paper. Some buildings are shaped like rectangular prisms too. What is a pyramid? This pyramid has 8 edges and 5 vertices or corners. There are 5 faces, and 4 of them are shaped like triangles. The base is the face on the bottom. The base of this pyramid is square. But I've definitely seen pyramids with bases that are different shapes. I guess the sides of any pyramid are triangles, and they all meet at one vertex. When I think of pyramids, I think of the Great Pyramids of Egypt. What is a cylinder? It has no vertices and a curved surface. 2 faces on a cylinder are circles. A cylinder can roll. A can of tuna, a penny, and a spool of thread are all cylinders. You know what's really cool? The curved part of a cylinder is actually a rolled up rectangle. What is a cone? A cone is a solid figure with one face, which is at its base. It's shaped like a circle. It has 1 point and a curved surface. A funnel, a traffic cone, and an ice cream cone are all cones. There's one more solid shape here. What is a sphere? A sphere has no faces, no edges, and no vertices. It's curved and round, so a sphere can roll. A ball, marble, globe, and an orange are all spheres. Sorry about the mess, Moby. Hey.
Okay, remember, here we have a cylinder. So I just put these together for you guys. I'd like to look at them again. How many faces does a cylinder have? Just two. Remember the circle here and the circle here, the top and bottom are two faces. It has 0 edges and 0 vertices. Here we have a rectangular prism. How many faces does the rectangular prism have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many edges? If you count all the edges, it has 12 edges and then 8 vertices. This is a rectangular prism. Okay, and then we have our triangular prism. Our triangular prism has 2 faces that are a triangle and 3 faces that are a rectangular square. So it has 5 faces, 9 edges, and 6 vertices in the triangular prism. Here we have a cone. A cone has 1 face on the bottom, 1 vertex on the top, but this has 0 edges. Here we have a cube. How many faces does a cube have? Remember, a cube has 6 faces and they're all what shape? They're all a square. Very good. It has 8 vertices and then 12 edges. Okay, now we want to make sure we don't confuse these 2 pyramids. Because here we have a square pyramid, but here we have a triangular pyramid. What's the difference in these 2? Very good. The square pyramid has a square on the bottom. The triangular pyramid has a triangle on the bottom. How many faces does the square pyramid have? 5. Very good. And how many edges? 8. And then 5 vertices. Very good. Now, how many faces does the triangular pyramid have? 4. Very good. It has 6 edges and 4 vertices. Here's what your seesaw assignment looks like. You need to go through each riddle and read each one and name the shape. For instance, I have 0 edges, 0 vertices, and 0 faces. What am I? So we know that one. That one's pretty simple. That one's a sphere. And then you need to go and record yourself naming each one. So make sure you hit the record button for each page, and I will see you tomorrow.